Imagine waking up one day and discovering that elephants exist only in photographs. Tigers survive only in history books. Rhinos are remembered through old documentaries. The songs of certain birds are never heard again, and entire ecosystems become silent. It may sound like a scene from a dystopian movie, but for many species around the world, this future is becoming a reality. Right now, thousands of animal species are facing extinction. Some are disappearing so quickly that scientists are struggling to study them before they vanish forever. Every year, plants and animals that took millions of years to evolve are being pushed closer to extinction because of habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, poaching, and human expansion. But there is still hope. History has shown that when humans decide to act, remarkable recoveries are possible. Species once thought to be doomed have returned from the brink of extinction. Forests have been restored, wildlife populations have rebounded, entire ecosystems have begun healing. The question is not whether endangered species can be saved. The real question is whether we are willing to save them. In today's video, we will explore why species are becoming endangered, examine some of the world's most threatened animals, discover successful conservation stories, understand the role every species plays in nature, and learn what ordinary people can do to help protect Earth's incredible biodiversity. This is the story of a planet at a crossroads, and the future is still being written. Let's begin. Understanding extinction. Why species are disappearing? Extinction is a natural process. Throughout Earth's history, countless species have appeared and disappeared. Dinosaurs once dominated the planet. Giant mammals roamed ancient landscapes. Entire groups of animals vanished due to natural events such as volcanic eruptions, changing climates, and asteroid impacts. But what is happening today is different. Scientists believe we are currently experiencing what many call the sixth mass extinction. Unlike previous extinction events, this one is largely driven by human activity. The biggest threat facing wildlife is habitat loss. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, roads, cities, and industries. Wetlands are drained. Grasslands are converted into farmland. As habitats shrink, animals lose food sources, shelter, breeding grounds, and migration routes. Climate change adds another layer of pressure. Rising temperatures after ecosystems faster than many species can adapt. Coral reefs bleach and die. Arctic ice melts, threatening polar bears and seals. Changes in rainfall patterns affect countless animals and plants. Pollution is another major problem. Plastic waste enters oceans and rivers. Chemicals contaminate soil and water. Air pollution affects both wildlife and humans. Then there is a poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Despite international laws, many animals are hunted for their horns, tusks, skins, meat, or exotic pet markets. When multiple threats combine, species can decline rapidly. A population that once numbered in the millions may fall to only a few thousand or even a few hundred individuals. And once a species disappears, it is gone forever. The loss is permanent. The world's most endangered animals. Across the globe, some species are fighting a desperate battle for survival. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on Earth. Found in parts of Russia and China, fewer than a few hundred remain in the wild. Habitat fragmentation and poaching have pushed this magnificent predator toward extinction. The Javan rhino is even rarer. Living primarily in a single protected area in Indonesia, fewer than 100 individuals survive. A disease outbreak, natural disaster, or habitat disturbance could threaten the entire species. Then there is the vaquita. This tiny porpoise lives in the Gulf of California and is considered the world's most endangered marine mammal. Entanglement in illegal fishing nets has driven its population to critically low levels. Mountain gorillas once seemed destined for distinction. Habitat loss, conflict, and disease caused severe population declines. Yet conservation efforts have helped their numbers slowly recover. Sea turtles face countless challenges, from plastic pollution and fishing nets to coastal development and climate change. Their survival becomes more difficult every year. Even species that seem common can quickly become endangered. Many bird populations worldwide have declined dramatically due to habitat destruction and environmental changes. Every endangered species tells a unique story, yet all share one common truth. Their survival depends on what humans choose to do next. Why every species matters. Some people may ask an important question: why should we care? If one species disappears, does it really matter? The answer is yes. Every species plays a role in maintaining the balance of nature. Predators control prey populations, pollinators help plants reproduce, scavengers remove dead animals and reduce disease. Herbivores shape vegetation and influence ecosystems. When one species disappears, the effects can spread throughout an ecosystem. Consider wolves in Yellowstone National Park. When wolves disappeared, deer populations increased dramatically. Overgrazing damaged vegetation, affecting birds, insects, and even river systems. When wolves were reintroduced, the ecosystem began recovering. This phenomenon is known as a trophic cascade. The same principle applies across the natural world. Bees pollinate crops worth billions of dollars annually. Mangrove forests protect coastlines while providing habitat for countless species. Coral reefs support roughly a quarter of all marine life. Healthy ecosystems provide clean air, clean water, fertile soil, food production, and climate regulation. Protecting endangered species is not only about saving animals, it's about protecting the systems that support all life on Earth, including humans. Nature is interconnected. When one thread is removed, the entire web becomes weaker. Conservation success stories prove that recovery is possible. Despite many challenges, conservation has achieved extraordinary victories. One of the most famous examples is the bald eagle. Once pushed close to extinction in North America due to hunting and pesticide use, strong legal protections and conservation programs helped populations recover dramatically. The giant panda is another inspiring success story. Through habitat protection, breeding programs, and international conservation efforts, panda populations have increased enough for their conservation status to improve. The Arabian oryx provides another remarkable example. This beautiful antelope became extinct in the world during the 20th century. Through captive breeding and reintroduction programs, it returned to its natural habitat. Whales have also shown signs of recovery. After decades of commercial whaling, international protection measures allowed several whale populations to begin rebuilding. Mountain gorillas have experienced encouraging growth as a result of anti-poaching patrols, community conservation projects, and ecotourism initiatives. These success stories reveal a powerful lesson. Extinction is not always inevitable. When governments, scientists, conservation organizations, and local communities work together, recovery becomes possible. Hope is not a fantasy. Hope is a strategy supported by action. Can we still save endangered species? The answer is yes. But time is running out. Conservation requires action at every level. Governments can strengthen environmental laws and expand protected areas. Scientists can improve wildlife monitoring and develop innovative conservation techniques. Businesses can adopt sustainable practices that reduce environmental damage. Communities can protect local ecosystems and support conservation initiatives. Individuals also have tremendous power. Reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable products, planting native vegetation, protecting wildlife habitats, and educating others can all make a difference. Technology is creating new opportunities as well. Satellite tracking helps monitor wildlife. Artificial intelligence assists conservation research. Drones help detect poaching activities. Genetic studies improve breeding programs. Around the world, thousands of people dedicate their lives to protecting wildlife. Park rangers patrol remote forests. Marine conservationists protect oceans. Researchers study endangered populations. Volunteers restore habitats. Together, these efforts are helping prevent countless extinctions. The future remains uncertain, but it is not hopeless. The decisions made today will determine which species survive tomorrow, and those decisions belong to all of us. The future is still in our hands. As we reach the end of this journey, one truth becomes clear. Endangered species are not just statistics on a conservation report. They are living creatures that share this planet with us. Each species represents millions of years of evolution, adaptation, and survival. Once lost, they can never be replaced. The fate of endangered wildlife is closely connected to our own future. Healthy ecosystems support healthy communities. Thriving forests, oceans, wetlands, and grasslands provide the resources that sustain life on Earth. The encouraging news is that extinction is not always the final chapter. Many species have recovered because people chose to act. The same can happen again. Every protected forest matters, every rescued animal matters, every conservation effort matters, and every informed person matters. The choices we make today will echo for generations. Will future generations inherit a world filled with wildlife and natural wonder, or will they inherit stories about creatures that once existed? The answer depends on what we do now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here on Pause and Planet TV for more fascinating stories about animals, nature, and our incredible planet. Thank you for watching, and remember, when we protect wildlife, we protect the future of Earth itself.